Unraveling Idioms. Understanding. Go to seed. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms. Specifically, we're going to explore what it means when something or someone has gone to seed. So, sit back as we unpack this expression and learn how to use it in our daily conversations. Go to seed is an idiom derived from the world of plants. When a plant goes to seed, it stops growing and starts producing seeds, often appearing less vibrant and overgrown. This process naturally indicates the end of the plant's life cycle where it's no longer at its peak. In a figurative sense, when we say a person or thing has gone to seed, we mean that they have declined after a period of neglect or past their prime. It's often used to describe someone who has stopped caring for themselves as they once did, or a place that has fallen into disrepair. Let's see how this phrase works in everyday language. After the factory closed, the town really went to seed. He used to be meticulous about his appearance, but lately, he's gone to seed. This idiom is informal and typically used in conversational English. It carries a slight negative connotation and is best used in contexts where you're familiar with the audience, as it can be sensitive when referring to someone's appearance or state. And there you have it. Go to seed is an idiom that paints a vivid picture of decline and neglect. It's a testament to the richness of the English language and how it borrows from nature to describe our world. I hope this video helps you understand and use go to seed more confidently in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and happy learning!